Good afternoon, and I'm here today to pitch to you English 277, Writing for Children and Young Adults, an online course delivered from the University of Maine at Farmington. As you can see, the University of Maine at Farmington is the campus affiliate that offers the lowest amount of online courses at this point. Currently, the University of Maine at Farmington only offers 3.1% of its credit hours online compared to other schools in the system, as depicted in this chart created from the PeopleSoft database from the University of Maine system. And this just goes to show that this is an area in which UMF, even though we're committed to being a public liberal arts residential campus, it's a way we can expand our market. This next chart here shows the compound annual growth rate in online credit hours from 2009 to 2017. You'll notice that UMF has grown steadily at 10%, which is increasing in comparison to other campuses, which have been offering quite a bit more of their percentage of full-time equivalents in online courses. Again, just to show that this is a place where we can really grow. The fill rates of undergraduate courses at UMF have, for the past 3 years, remained over 60%, peaking in 2016-2017 with fill rates of 67%. And again, just proving that these courses, if offered, are more than likely to fill. My final little piece of data here is just pulled out from all of the full-time equivalence classes by delivery mode in the UMaine system by academic year. And it just shows the trend of distance education has up significantly. Not only is this course Writing for Children and Young Adults a way to capitalize on the University of Maine at Farmington's strong Bachelor of Fine Arts in Creative Writing program, but a course specifically directed to those interested in writing for children and young adults is fairly rare. Looking across several campuses, not only in the UMaine system, but outside of that, the only course that was really equivalent that I was able to find is the following course from Northeastern University, and they offer this course called Writing for Young Readers. I've included the catalog description here, and you can see here the difference being in the tank of this is that this course looks at the history and the development of children's literature, writing for young readers from fairy tale to modern day works, whereas the course that I'm designing is focused specifically on contemporary works and what's happening in the field at the present moment, and will be taught by somebody who is writing in this genre and publishing in this genre. Next, you can see the course description for English 277 that will explore the contemporary world of writing known as Kidlit, trying hands at our own creative pieces for the audiences. The online course is designed to capitalize on what you already know about children's literature, as well as gain a greater understanding of how to write for this audience through reading, discussion, peer workshop, and instructor one-on-one virtual meetings. Combining this personal interest, everybody knows something about children's literature who was a child or went to elementary school. We all have experiences with books, and capitalizing on that and putting it into a real active creative writing community grounded in the workshop method, but heightened by the accessibility of online instruction, I think is a real win-win for UMF and the University of Maine system as a whole. Thank you so much for your time today.